Yo, what's up, you fucking coward pussy motherfuckers? This is Bismack Biyombo, the fucking king of Wakanda. And this nigga Mero is talking a lot of shit about me in the streets. I see him out here talking shit with Desus, huh? To me and Iman Shumpat, huh? Where's Iman Shumpat at right now, huh? He don't got no bitches. Niggas about to get eliminated in the streets, huh? Holla at your boy, Bodega Boys, episode 24. It's lit, nigga. Play the music. Ha ha!
Yo, it's episode 24. It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle. Here with your boy Kid Mero. We'll be back at Bodega Hive Studios.
That's right.
Livest place on deck.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Kid Mero. Human Durag 5 nigga. Been Smack Biyombo nigga since 1999. Shout out to Pablo.
I like that name. I got all my names here. I'm a little winded right now.
Pablo, yeah, niggas out here. We flying.
Yo, it's like 90 degrees outside right now. But this is the art. As always, sponsored by Red Bull. Shout out to Red Bull. 220 West 18th Street. Big announcement. Spoke to Red Bull yesterday. They miss us, you know what I'm saying? They're sorry for, having to send us to other studios. Not that there's anything wrong with this studio. This shit is lit. Yeah. This shit is motherfucking lit.
Niggas just smoke weed in here.
But we will be back at Red Bull next Thursday. Because, and also, our now popping art form will be weekly.
That's right.
So.
Get hype. Fucking cowards.
You know what I'm saying? It's a big thing going on. Big things go on. Everybody in the studio, give a big what's up. Let people know you're here. You can say what's up.
Yo.
Hey, that's the crew.
Free Troy.
All right, that's the
Niggas said free Troy.
All right, that's gonna have to get edited out. That's straight up feedback. No, apparently, a popping young rapper from Brooklyn.
Oh man.
His name's Troy Ave, and he's far from
Ronald, right? Ronald.
Roland.
Roland.
Or something.
Okay.
Apparently, he had a concert at One Irving Plaza, and he decided that he would remake the intro to Belly.
Wow.
And he stormed into the room and started busting the cowl all crazy.
Back to life.
Now,
the contacts and shit.
Yeah. Now, this wouldn't be bad, except your man Troy Ave decided that he would be the first person in the history of mankind to pull off a shooting in front of one of the most crystal clear cameras in the whole entire world.
Niggas have 4K security. I didn't know niggas have 4K security cameras.
Dog, if you look at the bottom of that footage, it says shot on an iPhone. That shit is so good, man.
Yo,
they use that like, come on, man.
Your man walked in, looked at the camera,
Smiled.
hit a pose, hit a dab, and then started shooting niggas.
That video is so good.
Wild.
I felt like maybe an hour before they did blocking and they had like tape on the floor
hit your
to
mark.
make sure all the light angles is right.
You know what I'm saying?
He had on a lav mic like, yo, are you getting all the gunshots? So now we're still waiting for facts. Now according to NYPD, because
we're not. Facts don't matter.
NYPD loves arresting rappers the way like your girl likes catching you in a lie, and she got evidence on deck.
Yeah, even
but
if
she gives you that one last chance to come clean.
Go ahead.
Listen,
I'm hang yourself, homie.
They like we're waiting for the ballistics. Look how fast they're running this Troy Ave situation.
Oh, yeah.
It's like you getting
Niggas still don't know who shot Chase.
Hourly update.
Niggas still don't know who shot Chase.
No,
by the way.
Who? Chase who?
What?
Nope, not ever getting solved.
Niggas already got the ballistics for the Troy Ave shit.
Oh
okay.
God, they already like arrested the owner at the gun store in Virginia that sold the gun. So they're saying that they're charging him with attempted murder because his boy, who was also a cross trainer or something, he got murked.
His boy was a
some
trainer?
girl got shot in the foot. Someone got shot in the abdomen. Like, man, people, who brings a gun to Irving Plaza, man?
Damn.
There's a Chipotle a block away. Can't you people act civilized?
Come on, man. You niggas gotta chill.
You know?
You niggas gotta chill. You wildin'. Don't bring us. Yo, you know when I stopped fucking with guns and doing all that other type of shit? As soon as a nigga appeared on television, dog.
Yeah.
I'm not doing none of that shit. All you niggas, you are in entertainment. You're an entertainer.
That's the thing. Like they get
success. Shoot niggas.
They get chances that people would kill for, and then throw it all away. But you gotta hear both sides. Okay. Sometimes things get heated. Someone gives you the gun. You make bad decisions.
Sometimes you bust a gun. But listen, don't do that if that's not what you do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't start doing that shit when you turn fucking 30, nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not touching no guns, nothing.
You can go to jail for a gun when you're 20. You can't go to jail when you're 30 for a gun when you're 30. Yep. But when you get out, say you do 10 years, you'll be 30. You could kind of turn your life around again. Yeah. If you get out at 40, you mad washed. Now you gotta move in with some shit.
For you. You got the Japanese tattoo.
You never getting a good job. with a
Quiet.
felony on your record.
Quiet.
You moving with a chick that nobody else wanted.
Come on.
She already got like 3 kids. They don't really fuck with you,
Come
but
on.
they're scared because their father used to smack their mother around, and they don't want to perpetuate the cycle.
They're nervous.
You know what I'm saying?
You get
a lot of
released.
tension at the breakfast table.
You know what I'm saying? You get out all your academic suits.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas know 03 was your last good year.
Still rocking that 1992
Yeah.
NYC Booms outfit.
No.
You're like, fuck that. I'm not going to Jimmy Jazz to update my outfits,
you
all right?
have to,
the
man.
velour fitted, this works.
No.
Papoose wears it. It's good enough for me.
Only Papoose does it because Papoose is king of New York.
He is the king of New
You know what I'm
York.
saying? Shout to Pap.
Shout to Pap. Pap and Remy. Black love forever.
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 Nigga.
You wish you had that kind of love. I was at the Yankee game and it was Papoose, Remy, and Fat Joe.
Joe, right? Yeah.
And they were playing the All the Way Up remix.
Yeah, niggas was
and the
hype.
crowd was like, who the fuck are these moolies on our fucking screen? Is that Derek Jeter? Is he marrying a black chick?
CC Sabathia looks crazy nowadays.
who is that?
Why is how did he get? Does he
Who is
have
that?
vitiligo?
Is that Cespedes? Is this a Mets game? who is that? Who's that Latino guy? And they were sitting like right behind home plate. So you see all the really rich white people behind them with just like,
Yeah.
who are these people?
Yo, Matt Red though, because I'm flying. Speaking of niggas sitting behind home plate that are weird, I was watching the playoffs last year and all the Kansas City Royals games. There was some weird nigga with like a dragon t-shirt sitting behind home plate at every fucking game. I'm like, who is this nigga, dog? He looks like the ill like white rapper, and come to find out he's the dude who runs Tech Nine's whole label. That Tech Nine guy with the weird beard.
Wow, Tech 9.
Yeah, he does numbers. I had no idea.
That yeah.
I had no idea. Nigga
Yeah,
does
he
mad
does
numbers.
numbers.
He's out here.
He's out here. You know, the quiet prosper.
Shut to him. I ain't getting it, yo. If you could go to Target anytime and throw racks and not worry about it, you're doing it.
Is that what you're trying to achieve?
That's like your standard of living. If you could go to Target and just do whatever you need to do and not even look at the receipt, you're doing it.
I feel like that's not really a high standard.
That's not a high standard, but niggas is from the Bronx. We come on, we gotta take baby
That
steps.
is true.
You know what I'm saying?
That
I'm not
is
trying to
true.
jump off the cliff yet.
Yeah. I can't
You ever
believe
see the video of the nigga that was cliff diving and thought he was flying and dove off the cliff and smashed his whole wig and his whole face looked like a fucking octopus when they dragged him out the lake? Nigga look crazy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Look that up.
Okay.
That's disgusting, fam.
Okay.
That's some faces of death shit.
Well, I see Mero has now steered the car to smack said I, smack said I.
Out here.
Back
Yo, I
over
need a
here.
lighter, though. Can I get a lighter?
You like it? The light was right there.
Yeah, this shit is fraudulent.
All right.
Shit don't
Listen, this is a real hood studio. We out here. You're hearing clicks of like things being lit.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone here has like a prescription card though, so don't think it's a legal thing. Because Mayor Bratton's listening to this.
That's right.
He's gonna do a whole fucking press conference
He's
about
such a clown.
these thugs and their podcasts.
Such a clown.
Some of these podcast individuals, they perpetuate the thug lifestyle.
Clowns.
Why is his name Curve Gotti, huh?
saying,
What's he curving, huh?
Huh?
He's curving the law.
You know what I'm saying? And that's what we telling you niggas, don't do illegal shit. Live a legal lifestyle.
Yeah.
Fucking worms.
You know, part of my whole thing is like I don't want to disappoint you guys because I know you guys would be fucking. I don't want to disappoint
Come on.
the listeners of Bodega Boys. I don't want to disappoint the anchors at Bronx 12, and they have to update my story,
Yeah.
and it's me coming
Your
out
success
of
story is
yeah.
now a
They're
failure
like,
story?
update on the Desus on someone
from
featured
grace.
last week.
Yeah.
Desus Nice was arrested carrying the big 3.5 in the Richard R. Green fucking middle school
Yeah, like, what are you
schoolyard.
doing? Why?
No, I can't do that.
Yeah.
Like my parents won't care, but I can't have like random Twitter user Hot Mommy 95 gonna disappoint her. She was like, I used to read your tweets every day. She's not gonna write to me in jail,
She's not gonna write to you at all.
but I'm gonna damn sure write her
She'll
that
put 45
45-page
on
letter
file.
every day.
Shout to you.
Shout to who?
Ran 45. Would you really write a 45-page letter? I would just be on the phone all day like, yo.
Not because you know what? Because you could be on the phone for a while, but after a while you get bored, and the person you're talking to be like, I gotta go. Because people, when you're in jail, you forget people who are not in jail with you
Right.
have real lives and have shit to do
Yeah.
and can't sit on the phone all day. You, on the other hand, can because all you can do in jail is gamble, masturbate. You can do the work they tell you to do. No one wants to do that. I'm not. What the fuck I look like? I used to be the biggest kingpin on the East Coast. What I look like cleaning toilets.
No.
Fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? Or you could go to school, but if you already know how to read, like you can't go to like get your master's in jail. You know what I'm saying? They're like, yo, I'll teach you how to read.
I'll teach you how to read,
That's
man.
about it.
When you get a GED.
You know what I'm saying? You wanna know how to balance the checkbook?
Yeah, I'll teach you
Nah,
how to do
listen,
that. I'll teach you how to do your taxes, nigga.
Like
Light.
that's about it.
Little
Like a
W9.
1040. Like
Yeah,
anything
nah.
past that,
You wildin'.
You wildin'.
No. That's
You
too
know
much. Niggas let you go. Niggas let GED because yo, keep your third eye open, my nigga. You know what GED stands for? Good enough
enough,
diploma.
dummy.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I thought it was dummy. They should
keep you
change.
track.
They need to rebrand GEDs.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Make it cool. Make it like a. I don't
Throw
know.
an X in there. Makes everything sound like extra.
Yeah. Make an app.
Yeah.
Make a GED an app.
Yes.
There you go. You could download your GED
GD.
from the iTunes store.
GD app.
Your GED now available on Tidal.
You know what I'm saying?
Just listen to the shit.
It's Tidal exclusive.
Tidal exclusive. Star Chance the Rapper.
Comes with a Prince album. Yo, you heard Prince died, my nigga? It's just crazy.
Yo, a lot of people who never died before are dying now. So
Crazy.
you know what I'm saying? We're living in interesting times.
Crazy.
To anyone, Betty White, shout out to you. You made it through the week. You lucky bitch.
Bill Cosby, but Cosby's on some other shit now. So the saga continues.
Yo, Cosby might go to jail.
Yup.
Wow.
See?
Damn. You know what else I thought
He
about?
died.
You know what?
That nigga goes to jail. He's died in jail. First of all.
You want?
I call it.
Nah, he'll be good. But here's
He's
something
not
to
gonna
think
get
about.
killed. He's gonna die.
Here's something to think about. Right now, somebody who committed a crime for the next 4 days at the minimum is going to be sitting next to Troy Ave. Imagine you were that person. You gotta listen to Troy Ave for the next 4 days.
Oh, man.
Talking about how he fucked his life up, how he was out in the streets, rapping.
He gotta be
other
sick,
niggas rapping to him.
He gotta be sick, bro.
Yeah, you know what?
I remember
Do it all the way.
I'm trying to think of like the sickest I ever felt in life, and I'm like, I don't know.
When I had that gun charge and then the fucking federal whatever, because there was no gun found initially when I was at the precinct.
Yeah.
But then the cop came in, smiled at me, and put like the evidence bag on the table, and that shit was mad heavy, and I was like, as it hit the table, I felt like my heart fall out my chest. I was like, damn, I think in theory, I've gotten my dick sucked for the last time in 3 years. In theory. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry what happens behind that G-wall. Nigga might get his balls licked for a couple of soups.
Wow.
You don't know me.
Wow.
All right?
Yo.
Listen, some people can't do jail. Some people need to have sex a lot, and unless you're gonna fuck a CEO or you know.
I can literally beat my meat forever.
You say that now.
Because when you're married, you gotta be prepared to not.
But see,
smash
even the thing is,
every time you want to smash.
there's a difference between being married and not smashing on a regular, and being in a building with like 400 other horny niggas who will kill you at any given moment. There's mad testosterone. None of y'all seen a woman, and now you gotta go through this shit. Nigga, you don't want that. You don't want those problems.
Stay out of jail, niggas.
You be angrily beating your meat.
Stay out of jail.
Stay out of. That's what they need to tell kids. Don't be like, yo, if you go to jail, you're not gonna be able to get a job because your career.
No
be
pussy.
Like, yo, no pussy.
No pussy at all.
Do you know what it's like?
That's it. That's the
Do
campaign.
you know what it's like to jerk off while looking at 40 other dudes?
You know what I'm saying? Let's
no privacy.
Let's sell that to the board of
You gotta wipe your hand on a concrete wall afterward.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
You
there's
jerking
no
off all the
soup.
niggas taking a shit
Yeah.
2 feet away from you.
Nigga
You don't want that.
Nigga looking you right in the eye from
Nah,
across the cell
no,
while he jerking off.
No.
You want those problems?
I was like, yo, I don't.
You gotta
don't
put up
look
a
at me,
dirty
nigga.
sheet for privacy. You trying to, you think about your life problems and your cellmates like, yo, lay on my back while I do these push-ups.
Yeah.
This is not the life I want for myself.
Yo, chill. That sounds like some cam girl shit.
Yeah, well, I'd pay money for that. Damn. Yo, it's Memorial Day weekend. I hope y'all people get out there and enjoy it. You have the fun that Troy Ave cannot have. Okay?
Well, yo,
You are free, so
about
make
that.
the most of that shit.
Think about it.
What's always like, am I coming out tonight? You be like, yo, I'm tired. But then say to yourself, Troy Ave would want to go out,
he would.
so I'm going out for him.
Yeah, he would keep that thing on him, so
Yes.
you do the same.
You
No,
know why?
don't do the same.
Because God is working on all of us. He wasn't working on young Troyathith.
Yo, listen.
Was that his real name? Troyathith?
Troy?
Troyathith?
That was Ronald.
Young Avenue?
Yeah. Channel 4 called him Troy Avenue like 6 times. Shout out
Yeah.
to Channel 4.
White people are so confused because white
dumb.
people think like when I say white people, I don't mean like all white people. I mean like the stereotypical white people I'm always referencing.
Yeah.
But no, like on the news, they're just like this aspiring rapper.
Yeah.
They're like, yo,
Aspiring.
he was
Nigga
up
still
next.
aspiring. Damn.
They think in New York, Troy Ave is like what Future is to regular hip hop. They think
man.
like we was out there like that. Like,
Damn.
can you name 3 Troy Ave songs?
The
That Doodoo.
Doodoo. Right?
There's
The All About the Money.
Yeah.
Money. That was actually kind of hard.
that was kind of a hard one.
You know what
His
I'm
other one was kicking the door, shooting randomly
I don't know.
at people and hit people.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a new one.
And then I think he had a song called Nino Brown. I don't know if that was a song or just an ad lib that he had. I think it was a song.
his ad lib used to be powder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a pretty cool ad lib. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Damn, that sucks for you, my nigga. Damn. You fucked up.
That's when you know
I'm
you
over here
fucked
just
up.
like,
You can't even say anything positive like, yo, maybe you could learn from like, nah, that sucks for you, my nigga.
Damn, for real.
Like you was gonna get paid money to be there that night,
Yeah.
and you decided to.
Damn.
People got a different mentality, man.
I'm not bringing a burner nowhere that's giving me a check, fam.
no.
No. The niggas outside that are waiting for me might. but they're not coming to the club.
Yeah.
I can't come in with niggas with guns and shit,
That's the
bro.
shit. You gotta change your
and
life
we on some
around.
different shit. We on some different shit. Chill. We on some New York Times shit. We on some jazz shit. Get out of
Yeah.
here, man. We're not with your riffraff, man.
We out here thugging it.
Yeah, nah. Get out of here. You niggas are crazy.
I ain't
I'm
go with
good.
Anthony Bourdain. How I
Fuck
look
you,
like
nigga.
having to come up for a 4 or 5?
We out here with Fresh Montana, nigga, but we have fools going, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm good.
We not listen. Our whole career trajectory is we want to do less and less events with people of color. That's just what we're trying to do.
Yo,
I want to talk at the NYU commencement. I don't want to be hanging with y'all.
Yeah.
I don't want to be. See, look at y'all. Y'all want to get your little furs and your little chains and go to Summer Jam. I don't want to go to that. I want to go to the Shakespeare in the Park. That's where I want to spend my time.
Shakespeare in the Park is lit.
That shit is lit. Come with a little bottle of, a little Parmesan.
You know what I mean?
Put my little blanket down.
You know what I'm saying?
Little freshly cut fruit purchased
little
at
vape.
Whole Foods.
Little vape pen.
Little vape pen. Enjoy the warm up act. Someone playing the harp.
You know what I'm saying?
They're playing like March Madness on the harp.
Oh shit.
That actually be kind of lit.
Yeah.
What wouldn't be lit? I don't know.
A lot of shit would
Going
not
to
be lit.
jail.
Going to jail would not be lit.
That's not lit.
Going to jail for the summer too, nigga. And you gotta see niggas shine and G off all summer.
And
And
then,
you locked up.
Because people's like, dude, don't worry, you're not missing this summer. That summer wasn't that much fun. Like, no matter how bad your summer was, your summer was better than their summer in jail.
Yeah,
Unless they
okay.
got their dick sucked in
Yeah,
jail.
come on. Or got in shape and got mad toppy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then who you getting in shape for? Your cellmate?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You still got to wear the crushed uniform when your family comes visit. They know what,
Really
you know, your mother only but so proud of you when she buying you the little small Pringles can and y'all eating them in the day room. You didn't get your face slashed this month. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Rainbow.
Yeah.
You turned your life around. No, he didn't turn his life around. He's in a fucking cage for fucking 30 hours a day. He doesn't have a chance to do anything wrong.
Yo, shout out to my man who I'm not gonna say his name because I don't know if it's legitimate or not, but he got Facebook in jail.
That shit is, he is a hero.
Niggas in jail on Facebook. Nigga hit me on Messenger like, what's goody?
His profiles of him in the state
You know what I'm
greens.
saying? The degrees in the wall, like, what's popping? I'm like, yo, nigga, how you got Facebook in jail?
Oh, you know what? If they gave people in jail Twitter and Facebook and shit like that, like,
Should be more lit.
they would calm down.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you guys gotta do something?
Oh no, can you just grab my beer?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, not for that. That sounds like a Jadakiss line. I got Facebook in jail.
It does. Everything sounds like a Jadakiss line, though.
Yo,
Everything.
yo,
Yo.
I'm in the hood like Chinese wings. He really said that.
Yo, when you go to school, stay and get your diploma. And if you clean your toilet, nigga, better use ammonia. That's the kind of shit you say. You be like, why is that so hard? Why is that so hard? Damn, why Jada the hardest out?
Run that back.
Run that back. Yo.
Yo, nigga say he shaking like Ali holding the torch. Nigga, he said that. I was like, I fell out.
That was a good
Yeah,
one.
they got mad bars.
He got bars on deck.
Yeah.
Top 5 dead or alive.
Oh, yeah.
Dead or alive.
Yeah.
That's a pretty
day.
big statement. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but he can say that.
He can say that.
He's got
check
real
him.
songs with Big, no made up shits.
Who can check him? No one can check him.
No one can check him.
Oh. The All the Way Up remix came out this week.
True.
New Hove verse. Do we want that? Do the streets want new Hove?
Nah. Sorry. Give me more beat. If Beyonce jumps on his album, then it should probably be lit. But it's like,
They're
yo,
saying
my
they're
nigga,
doing
like,
a double album, the two of them together.
Oh, yeah?
Beyonce makes great songs with Jay-Z. Jay-Z makes terrible songs with Beyonce. And I don't understand what the problem there is.
Yeah, what is
but
it? Is it?
I don't know if I could do a whole album with those two.
Let's ask Just Blaze. Does he know?
Just Blaze? I don't know what it is.
Yo, Just, do you know about that?
Jay don't really need to rap. Jay got just chill.
He's good, bro. Just chill, nigga. Yo, if you have
You
more
got
than
nothing to
$500 million,
prove.
you don't need to rap
You don't
at
gotta
all.
See, it's not even 500 million. If you got like more than 20,000 in your bank account,
That's
according to my low standards,
Yeah,
you
that's
good.
what I'm
You don't
saying.
gotta
Like
do
I
that.
said, if you can go to Target and not look at the receipt,
Yeah.
you shouldn't be fucking rapping
Drake
or
says
arguing
that
with
on
me.
his new album. He was like, all he wants to do is get high when he wants to and buy what he wants to. That's when he knows he made it. And it's just like
Literally.
that's the bare minimum
Motto, nigga.
That's the
Like,
bare minimum.
yeah. That's it.
You know?
And I pretty much get smacked whatever I want and cop things within reason.
Okay.
I can't go cop a fucking Lambo right now, but
Not
hey,
yet.
I could cop the shit out of a Camry right now, nigga.
There you go.
Right now, niggas call
Straight up cash?
What
Or-
cash?
oh, wow.
Liquid, nigga. What,
Ooh.
nigga? We go to
You
fucking
might wanna-
Hillside Toyota.
You
wherever
might want
the
to stop
fuck-
talking. You about to get hit with the wild home invasion.
Nigga.
Yo, shout out to my man on East 220th Street
Wow.
who dude tried to run up in his house with the
Yup.
burner.
He flipped
He
topsy-turvy.
flipped it on him, said, got you, swiper, no swiping, took the gun from him and shot him several times.
Pow, pow.
I'm going to tell you,
Nigga
don't
ended
run
up
up
in
in
Lincoln.
niggas' houses.
Don't run up in niggas' houses, bro.
Houses.
Not the Bronx.
I don't live near a level 1 trauma center. You're not gonna get medical attention in time.
Yeah,
you
it'll
might
be quiet
bleed
for you.
out.
Is Jacoby in level 1 trauma center?
Yeah, Jacoby is.
Oh, so you'll be alright.
Monty Fury isn't.
You might make it, nigga.
You might, but if you get some of that crosstown traffic on I-95,
yeah.
it's gonna be quiet for you.
You can't make a left at Westchester Square, son.
Oh shit. Where you going? Where you going? Through construction. Take the side lane.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
Might
turn
be
your lights
quiet for
on
you.
all you want. Poppy not letting you over.
Might bleed out in front of White Castle.
Oh, how sad is that?
Nigga die in front of White Castle. That's terrifying.
Your last smell is
bamboozling.
onion rings.
Shout out to a shorty I used to fuck with. I used to buy clam strips at White Castle, which is why I knew like we just gotta end.
Oh wow, she must have tasted terrible. Oh, clam strips.
Yo, from White Castle.
From White
man.
Castle.
I understand if you on
What
City
is that?
Island, you try to experiment.
That's not even clam. I don't even know what that
No,
is.
A clam with a K.
That's like the uterine lining of a rat.
No.
Just fried.
Rap placenta?
Rat placenta.
Shit is healthy.
That's the name of our new band. On tour now with White Genocide.
Rap placenta.
Coming down to Coco Fest.
Loyalty, brotherhood, loyalty.
Dead to the white race.
Yeah, shout out to all the white dudes with bad tattoos that are mad loyal to each other.
Yes. And the Aryan crossbars.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the Nazis out there. Nazis, you know what the thing is?
Just before the solder.
Nazis aren't really cool.
Affliction.
Yeah.
No, the shit, that's just whack. Get
They
around.
are whack, yeah.
Trash.
Yeah.
Niggas had no swag. If you're gonna be
So the
wild,
outfits
hateful and
were
shit, you gotta
the
have
outfits
swag.
were kind of hot though,
I mean,
but
nah.
all the other shit
they
wasn't.
look like if you like they look like German Nike Tech shit. Like
Yeah.
if you would have told me like, yo, niggas is gonna make all the Nike Tech shit in Germany, some nigga named Dusseldorf is gonna make all the shit.
Yeah.
That's what Nazi uniforms look like. Nazi tech suits.
Oh shit, you're
them
fly.
niggas outta here, they're
You're
trash.
fly. What's your Memorial Day weekend plans, Mero? This is where the podcast splits
Yeah.
because you're gonna say something like mad wholesome and
Chill and
family
washed.
oriented, and I'm gonna say some wild like I'm smuggling heroin and like an infant's butt in Singapore for 3 days.
Yo, I'm actually smuggling heroin in the butt of a poodle in Bangkok. Nah, it's Memorial Day, man. I'm gonna be chilling, wild drunk, wild smack, barbecuing. You know what I'm saying? Might do backflip into a pool.
Yeah,
You feel me? Chill mode.
I feel you.
Might
Chill mode.
eat his little Xannington or something.
Okay, I feel you. Might go to the bar, but not the bar. If you know what I'm saying.
Definitely no driving. I'm like, Heather, you take the wheel.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I would just be squid mode in passenger side.
Okay.
You know what I
Shouts to you. Shouts to you.
Because when you smack playing with your kids is extra fun.
I guess. I mean, I feel like that's not.
Have
a
you ever
statement.
wanted a robot? Have you ever wanted to have a robot?
Nah.
Nah?
Nah.
You're not like me.
I'm not. We're not the same person. That's why that's why this art works, because it's yin and yang. Because you know what I'm saying? Like you love kids and shit, and all I'm gonna do this weekend is do everything in my power to avoid having kids. You know what I'm saying? Just make poor
And by that, you mean
decisions.
pull out.
Pull out.
30 seconds late.
30 seconds. You know,
Roll the dice.
You know, pull out, throw the rubber on the roof.
Yeah.
You know, go back on the dance floor.
Kobe.
You know, just do whatever I gotta do.
Kobe.
All types of shit, you know?
Yo, shout out to Carlos.
Go back to my seat before the Amtrak conductor comes around again.
No.
That's a real thing.
You had in the bathroom? You ever had in the bathroom?
No, you can't do that. You can't do that. It's like, it's very
scumbag.
embarrassing when they get the cops to pull you off the Amtrak. And all the passengers look at you and they're like people from MSNBC and they're judging you.
I got arrested by Amtrak, not Amtrak cops, but real cops, but like Amtrak cops was the one that called the real cops.
Yeah.
And I was on the Amtrak tracks like 125th. Like
Graffiti?
doing graffiti. Like by the West Side Highway. And niggas, this was like 02, 03. So it was like everything that was like weird. Niggas brought out helicopters and like shit. Nigga, there was like 20 cars and a helicopter to arrest me for doing graffiti on the West Side Highway on a rooftop. And the Amtrak cops called the real cops. Niggas chased me down the track for mad long. I got mad winded. My man was with me. Nigga had a huge knife in his pocket. He threw the knife out of his pocket overboard. The shit fell right on the hood of a cop car. The cops tackled us. Niggas had their knee all up in my neck. Homie comes up. You know how cops just when they find something, like you said, like it's for your girl catching you in a lie?
Yeah.
Yo, and I heard the shit, because I heard the knife hit the hood of the car. Because it was like, we was knocked, and he was just like, oh shit, and he just threw the banger. So the shit hit the roof of the car. I was like, boom, I heard it. I was like, damn, that didn't sound like water or concrete, man.
Right.
So it's quiet for us. Nigga came up, cop came like straddled over the fucking divider and shit, came over. He's like, ha, Which one of you assholes does
They
this
love
belong
that.
to, huh?
And I told you, anytime
Huh?
you make a cop's
Which
job
one of you
easy,
fucking assholes, huh?
Oh, they
Huh?
love that shit.
What are you fucking Crocodile Dundee over here?
Hey,
You
look at
fucking
this.
wing
That's not a
asshole?
knife.
Huh?
Hey, Lieutenant.
Whoa,
Hey,
whoa.
Lieutenant. Hey, that's not a knife. This is a knife.
This is
Hey.
a knife. Hey, what am I, fucking Paul Hogan? Look at this fucking guy.
Hey, get a
Whoa,
little tone. Tony
whoa.
over here. You're fucking hilarious.
What are you
man.
doing, graffiti or fucking skinning a crock out here?
Hey,
What are you,
hey.
fucking nigga,
Look
huh?
at this guy. He's putting up Esco over here. I guess you're all city? Huh? You're huffing paint cans? Huh? 5 points? Hey, you miss it? Ha! Ha!
Oh my
It was an
God.
eyesore.
Terrible.
Fucking junkie degenerate.
Terrible. Niggas mad hype on the radio. We caught the fairway guys.
We caught him.
Because it was our fairway. Niggas calling these the fairway guys.
Fairway guys.
Get the fuck out of here, nigga. This ain't Ocean's 11. I was up there dusted doing a fill-in, nigga, and you called me. Like, yo, come on, fam. Like, relax.
Look how far we've come. Look how far
We
we've
out here
come.
in the streets.
We're not vandals anymore. Even though we did cover 44th Street with Bodega.
Boys, merch.
Did we even? No. Well, we already said it. Fuck it.
Yeah.
They took them all off already.
Come on, yeah.
Fuck it.
Come on.
Because I'm thinking now the NYPD's podcast unit is gonna listen to this shit. The rest of us.
The hip hop podcast.
That's gonna be
The
but
pod cops.
you know what? Also, not for nothing. Now you gotta hear both sides on everything,
Okay.
and everything has a silver lining.
True.
Because God's working on all of us. Someone died at the Troy Ave shooting. Tragic. My heart goes out to their family.
Tragedy, yeah.
However,
Yeah.
you laughing? I haven't even started yet. However, the problematic light is on already. I have to land this plane in the Hudson.
Okay, let's go. I got my
How
vest on,
lit?
just in case.
Will this shooting be when we bring back Law and Order? I mean, the New York Undercover
shit.
reboot
Oh shit.
with us.
Oh, we
And we're in
investigating
Urban
shit?
Plaza, and we have to ask. You know, we're investigating celebrities. So like, I'm on like the Brooklyn waterfront, and I'm walking next to Fabulous. He has on the fur.
Yeah.
I'm like, Fab, you gotta work with us. He's like, nah.
Fab, bro, you're not a snitch, bro. Listen to me. We're dudes from the hood too, bro.
on,
Understand,
Fab.
bro.
Come on, Fab. I was in envy with you. Come on, Fab. It was me, you, and Hove, man. Come on, this is deep from the block. Don't talk to me like I'm a cop. I'm talking to you man to man. Remember we used to play basketball with Bloodshed before he died? Children of the Corn. Come on,
That's
man.
right, bro. It was the three of us, bro. Rocker Park, bro. With Killer
on.
Cam, bro. Come on, man.
Come on, Fab.
Come on, man. I'm Afro-Latino, bro.
Come on, Fab.
My
Don't
nigga.
do it like this.
Come on, my nigga. Let's do it. Let's solve this
Let's
case,
all
man.
come together,
Brooklyn. It's
Someone
all love.
died.
You know
Biggie
what I'm
would
saying?
want that.
Come on, bro. Biggie would want him to get snitched on, bro.
And then Fab is like, yo, he's like, I don't want to talk, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to tell you who did the gun, what type of gun it was, but you know what I'm saying? The gun was basically if when you eat delicious food after 8 o'clock, 9 So I'm just like, all right, okay, you're gonna testify on punchlines?
Yo, all right. And then, niggas should just be mad current. Like,
What? But like, what? Why do you have a Snapchat filter on your face as we're walking down the street? Fab. Whatever Fab tells us, the next scene is in La Marina, so we're investigating a bottle waitress. Nah, shit's lit. So keep doing hip hop crimes so we have more
know what I'm
stuff. So we can go to Dick Wolf with his old ass and be like, yo, the streets want
if
this.
niggas was just sold on that just now.
Come on.
Come on.
Us, you know, it's a grainy, gray day.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero's wearing like a flannel.
You feel me?
You know what I'm saying? But he has on Afro-Latino beads.
That's right.
To make sure you know he's Afro-Latino.
We
That's a
interviewed-
big part of the show,
That's
him
true.
being Afro-Latino.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Charlamagne.
Like sometimes he comes home because he has to work late and he had to pick up like cheap American tacos. And when he gets home, he looks at them and throws them on the floor like, no, these are not for La Raza. And just like, I'm playing all the bongos like.
Yo, I like how niggas think we're all Mexican and shit. Like, yo, niggas is all
Listen.
Mexican.
Oh, that's called the
Tacos
Trump.
all lit. Tacos
That's
all
the
lit.
Trump effect. Like, listen, we don't have to learn all you the El Salvador and Guatemala and all these countries. We're grouping you all together and we're getting you out of here. Because he's gonna build that wall, damn it. He's gonna build that wall and keep y'all out of here. And the
gonna
ones that
take
are
that
here,
long.
I don't know how we're gonna get you out of here.
No, you gotta stay.
I don't know. This guy is very diverse. I don't know if I'm offending him or if he's agreeing with Trump.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your nationality?
Me?
Not you.
He's like, yo, I'm clearly white.
He's like, I'm white and great.
Mostly Native American.
Oh,
He's
shit.
American. Oh.
Like every stripper at Sue's.
I'm mixed, y'all. I'm Cherokee.
I'm from Cape Verde, Dad. You know what I'm saying? I'm 25% Plymouth Rock.
Yeah.
My parents came over on the Mayflower.
I'm Moroccan and Salvadorian and Chinese and Korean and French.
Just keep putting shit in there.
Yeah, and
until you run
Albanian.
out of space in that Craigslist
Every
ad
the
space.
orange.
Every
Oh man,
200 roses.
200 roses for
Per hour.
GFE. If you're law enforcement, you have to tell me.
You have to tell me.
Oh man, so your father's in town, right?
Yeah,
Is
my
your
dad's
father-
in
yeah,
town.
so is
Yeah,
mine.
your pops
That's
in town?
weird.
Yeah,
That's weird.
Yeah, niggas got radar.
Wow.
It's like, yo, these dudes, we gotta go be a wet blanket for a little bit.
Yo, my father's being a wild buzzkill McGee. Oh my god, he is like. First of all, when he visits, I become 15 again. That's the worst shit ever.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't like to him. I'm not popping. I'm not on TV. I'm not
Yeah.
a grown adult. Like I was just enjoying my Saturday
Yeah.
at 9 a.m. reading tweets on my phone, and I
prime
laughed.
Pops time.
I laughed at a tweet,
Oh, no.
and he walked in the room. He was like, "Oh, you got time to be idle?" I was like, here we go. Fast forward 10 minutes later, we're moving the piano in the living room because now we are going to rip off the living room carpet floor
Chill.
and expose hardwood floor.
Chill.
On a Saturday? Who does this? Who does this for fun?
Chill. My pops would be on the same exact tip, except that he saw me on TV once and was like, "Oh shit, this nigga's really on TV." Because he saw me like at a bar or some shit.
Right.
Like somebody had an MTV2 on it and niggas popped up.
Nah, nothing I could do could ever impress my father because my father came here from Jamaica with $4 literal and a goat. And he turned his life around. So nothing I can do. Okay? It was literally him, my mother, and my little sister. And they came from Jamaica. He swam here and they were on his back, according to how he tells it. So
My
shout
pops
to
told
him.
the same exact story, except he swam here first dolo. He partied a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Then he went and got my mom's over here. And you know what I'm saying?
His whole thing is like,
Rest
if my nails are not dirty at the end of the day, it's not a real job.
Okay.
And my whole shit is like, nigga, whatever.
I'm popping.
I'm popping. So no, so far I've changed the car battery. I've cut the hedge.
Okay.
He wants me to start mowing the lawn at 7 a.m. You know?
shit.
This is normal. How confused would you be if you were driving by and you saw Desus Young Hot Take Fuego in a pair of Dickies and an old 1992 Yankees World Series t-shirt
With the sleeves cut off.
with the sleeves cut off, mowing the lawn, looking mad angry with, no
gloves
shape
that are
up.
just like the gloves dipped in like the latex.
Yeah.
Like,
Looking mad dusty with Timbs with no laces. Because it can happen.
gloves and shit.
If you see it, don't look at me in my eyes. Just keep driving.
Man, soot in your nose.
Just like,
Damn, struggling.
Yeah, no, my pop seen me on TV, so I got saved from that. Before that, the nigga used to yank me out of bed by my neck and be like, "Yo, go trim these hedges, go change 6 tires. Let's go drive around and find the air conditioner in the garbage and rebuild
Yeah.
it." All
what's
that
the
shit.
deal with? Oh man,
Love it.
my father has a pair of those.
My pops found a Xerox machine in the garbage, my nigga, and brought it home. Why do we need a copy machine in my crib, an industrial copy machine? But then I just started
You never
printing
know.
out.
You never
Shout out
know.
to him, though, because I
Alright.
started just printing out mad signs that just said Mero on it.
Yeah.
And I just started, like, Arial Blackfire, and I was like, yo, this is mad easier than graffiti. So I just started printing out mad Mero things and just spraying glue on the wall and sticking them on the wall with glue.
God.
Which was mad easy and fun to do. Shout out to my pops
Well, yeah.
for
Shouts
enabling me.
Shouts to my pops, who also does not. His whole thing is about saving money.
True.
He's had the same pair of sneakers for 10 years.
Yeah.
It's those All Live Matters racist sneakers.
Okay.
They're mad dirty. I was like, yo, do you want a new pair of sneakers? Because I'm the sneaker guy. Because
Right.
he's going to completely
You got the
disown
same
me.
size? Pause.
No, but he's going to disown me because I have so many sneakers.
Okay.
Also, yeah, my mother, her whole new thing is I use a fresh towel after every shower.
Okay.
That is like I
Brand new, fresh out the thing?
yes, because they're my towels and I wash and dry them and I pay to launder them, so I will do what the fuck I want with my towels.
I mean, okay.
Mero and my mother.
No, I mean that's cool. Like, but
Like,
I
who,
mean,
like wait, am I? Does everyone here not do that?
No, my mom's on the same thing.
What the fuck? Like, if you are living good, okay. The same way you're like when you go to Target and you just buy whatever you want.
Right.
In my world,
Fresh
if you
towel
do
every day.
a fresh towel every time you get out the shower, you're living good.
Okay.
Okay. I've had bad times in my life, and now I'm having a good time. I'm gonna get my fresh fucking towel.
I respect
Sorry, I feel like this is therapy.
No,
but
no.
so that's her. That's her
You have a
complaint.
bathrobe?
No, what am I?
No. You
What
gotta
am
get-
I?
no, you gotta
Some
get
sort of sodomite?
No, you gotta get the
walking
terry-
around with a
no.
bathrobe.
No, you gotta get the terry cloth bathrobe.
Nah, come on.
You need that.
Nah, I like to come.
Especially if you live dolo, nigga. Come on.
Nah, you know what it is? I like to walk out the shower naked.
That's what
just
I'm saying. You live
just
by
in case
yourself.
I ever get locked up again, because I don't want to get accustomed to the bathrobe.
true.
So I come out with the wild dick slanging, like, yo, anybody could get it. You know what I'm saying? Every now and then I practice fighting while I'm wet, just in case. Because you never know when you gotta knock a nigga out with soap on your balls.
You know what I'm saying?
So I just
Nigga,
try to get low.
Nigga, this is soaked up in the heavy bag with
Just
the cable
soaked up.
guy. With the cable guy in the room doing
just like, yo.
putting the box in.
Just like, yo, with mad locks playing in the background. I'm doing a push.
Living off experience.
I'm doing a push-up with mad fucking Dio soap on my chest. I don't even wash it out.
What?
Brought it to a foamy lather.
No jokes, cause life is serious.
You ever try to choke a nigga out with the loofah?
Nah.
The shit that come with the Axe body
You
spray?
know what I'm saying? She got mad.
You can't.
That shit is that shit is.
Nah, if you a real G, every now and then you might have to fight in a pair of like Nike flip flops. So you should practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta work your toes out because you gotta use your toes to grip.
Yeah.
Pause.
You ever try to fight someone on the? We're flying all over the place now.
Yeah.
Shout out to no, do not a shout out, but NYPD, you a bunch of haters. You're pulling over buses this week because the kids were trying to cut to go to cut day at the
Damn.
beach, which is a tradition in NYC.
Damn. Niggas are cornballs.
You got nothing better to do.
The Regents is over, bro.
Let people do what they gotta do, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all are bugging. Let niggas live, bro. Let niggas go to Orchard Beach. We're not gonna go in the water. That shit stinks. It's low tide, fam.
Nah, we still going in the water.
Y'all are bugging. I never did.
never
There was
in the
always
water?
niggas. Shout out to D with Clay. Niggas went in there with the N1 shorts. Not me.
Dog,
Not me. I got places to go. I'm
Okay.
not going. Niggas are gonna catch me chilling on Kingsbridge, smelling like fucking swamp, nigga.
Now,
Nope.
for New York, non-New York City residents, NYC Cut Day is every
Yeah.
New York City junior high and high school student. They leave school and they walk to what we call beaches in New York City. These are not actual beaches. There's a lot of broken glass, used
Orchard,
condoms.
Coney Island.
It's just dirty. And to get there, you usually have to use your bus pass for a specialized bus route. But then the NYPD and the MTA are a bunch of haters and they turn off the buses, but then you just walk on the highway.
That's right.
Because it's whatever, because you don't care about your life. You're going to die probably that summer.
I'm saying?
So, you go out there, it's lit. When I went, I did not have shorts, so I went and I wore it into water in my boxers, like a little scumbag.
Wildin'. See,
Wildin',
I couldn't do
yeah.
it.
Listen.
My worst thing ever is wet underwear, wet socks.
Yeah.
Niggas will go in there with and then throw the jorts over the wet boxers. I was
I
like,
did
y'all
that.
are
I did
tripping.
that. That's what you gotta do.
I got it up to my knees and I was like, I'm good. I'm
You
gonna
gotta
smoke
make
this
it
blunt right here. Nope.
Nah, because there was this chick named Veronica, and she was like very developed for hot. Of course, her name was Veronica.
Of course, I was about to say same in my school. Yo, it's Veronica's. Yo, don't name your shorty Veronica if you don't want her to have the YF cup.
Yeah, man. I
My
think she was
sophomore
like,
year.
she was like Cuban and black and shit. I don't know.
Shout out to
But,
Veronica's.
yeah, and
love
she went in the water.
Yep.
I went in the
Veronica
water.
too.
You know what I'm
go where
saying?
Veronica
'Cause
went.
listen, the heart wants what the heart wants.
Where
It's not
Veronica-
about
she
the person
goes.
you choose to want. It's about the person your heart chooses to want.
You know, erasers don't work on hearts because you can't erase the person you love. That's just that. Yo, that's the worst fight I've ever seen in my life.
That
Dog.
girl is so annoying.
Dog, I want to do the wild Luke Kang. Remember when you charge up and then do the bicycle? That shit. I want to hit Shorty the grill into it. Like, yo, get out of here, yo.
Oh, man.
Shorty's the worst thing to ever in life.
So even though we went full circle, I was trying to beef. Because remember, I was beefing about the towels.
True. But you live
Also,
good. So
my
you live
father is no, because I drink beer. What beer do I drink? Everyone can see it here.
Heineken,
Shout out to the
shout
sponsor,
out
Heineken. Shout out all the sponsors: the Zika vaccine,
You know what I'm
Narcan, Heather's Chodes.
You know what I'm
Who else? Red Bull.
Anybody
Else? Anybody else? ISIS. Sure. You know, can't wait for the caliphate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my father, he doesn't drink Heineken. He was just
What does
like
he drink?
he used to drink Heineken. That's why I drink Heineken because it was always beer
tradition.
in the house because he drinks Heineken. He has gotten so cheap and frugal now. He drinks this knockoff beer from like Audi or something. It's some beerish shit. It's like it's not really beer. It's like, yo, if you kind of fuck with beer,
It's beerish.
if you like the flavor of beer, then
It's
hey,
kinda beer-like.
fuck with this. It's like the number one beer in Madagascar.
Yeah.
Like the spokesperson is the fucking the president of fucking Botswana. He's just on the side, like, yo,
My friend is at the beerish.
beer-ish.
What?
Beer-ish.
What is that?
Oh, the
What is
ads
beer-ish?
have mad disclaimers on the bottom. Do not drink if pregnant.
Or nursing? Maybe fatal?
Pregnant women should not handle beerish bottles or packaging. Wash your hands immediately after touching beerish. If you experience any kind of intoxication, it is completely
Discontinue
random.
use immediately.
If you are intoxicated for 4 hours, please see a doctor. Beerish contains no beer or ish.
0% beer. Shout out to all
Beerish
things
is
that contain
illegal
0%
in
zero.
Oregon due to a class action lawsuit.
Shout out to Beerish.
Shout out to
Your pop's
Beerish.
out here drinking rocket beer.
He's drinking. Like, he's out here. The thing is, though, he looks just like me. So it's very jarring when I wake up in the morning and he's in the kitchen because it's just like, damn.
Looper, nigga.
Yeah. It's
Came
like,
back
damn,
to
I gotta make good decisions. You know what I'm saying? Because every time I look at him and he looks at me and I can see he's looking at me like, damn, you don't know how good you have it. And I'm looking at him like, you don't know how bad you have it. Man.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Gucci Mane.
Oh, shit.
He's free.
Oh, shit. The
Gucci
nigga-
Mane is out.
Yo.
Well, to be fair,
Yeah.
Gucci Mane was out when we started recording this.
Yeah, he was.
He could be back in jail right now.
He could.
You know what I'm
He
saying?
might have violated.
He might have violated.
I hope not, though. But he's not sure. He's mad brolic now?
Yeah.
I'm
he
like, what
got
happened?
shaped up.
That shit got me tight. I was like, yo, we were like buddies. Like, we were buddy,
flab buddies?
Body buddies.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It was niggas like, yo, what's your body type? I'm like, yo, it's Gucci Mane. You know what I'm saying?
Now you can't
My
do that
BMI
anymore.
is Gucci Mane.
So you have to find a new body type.
Damn.
What about the
French Montana?
I was gonna say
Leonardo DiCaprio?
I was gonna say the young lady from Saturday Night Live, the white girl. What's her name? Winston, some shit. She was in that singing song, that singing movie.
Saturday Night Live.
Huh?
Nobody watches Saturday Night Live.
That girl, that movie. Not Melissa McCarthy, who, by the way, shout out to Melissa McCarthy, who lost, I'm doing the air quotes, she lost mad weight, but she's still doing movies about being fat. So she had to wear a fat suit in a movie.
Nah.
And if you look in the movie, everything, she always has her neck covered because she's wearing a fat suit, and she still has the wild jibs from the gastric bypass surgery.
Damn.
You see the jig?
Like, but what if that was her lane though? Why you fucking up your own lane?
Because that was her lane, but you know what, people, that's your lane. You can be fat, and then America's
Wasn't she
like,
on that show like about the cop? Like,
yes,
the nigga
and
with the cop and some shit?
people love you when you're fat, and then when you get money, you realize this fat shit is gonna kill me. Let me lose all this weight and try to fanoot into a next lane. So that's what she did. Monique did the same shit.
Shut the Monique.
I'm gonna do the opposite of that. Like, I'm gonna just be wild skinny, and then as soon as I start getting these check stickers, I'm gonna get some
wild fat.
fucking fat.
You gonna do the Val Kilmer?
Listen, we're not even gonna be able to do the podcast. You're gonna hear me breathing extra on every word, like, well, you Bill Jacob boy, boy, yo, Chipotle, aka Milner Center.
I'm like, oh shit, yo, get the defibrillator. This nigga's having a heart attack.
Eli Lippy.
Get the defibrillator. Get the defibrillator.
Okay.
Save him.
Chris Dasper Sling.
Yo, pump his heart.
Yo.
Get an adrenaline shot.
Come see
Get
you
an
live
EpiPen.
from Red Bull. I'm gonna have one Red Bull, my fucking heart's gonna explode like a whale full of dynamite that's been beached. Just everywhere.
That was the sound.
I'm gonna be a trending topic. Yo, shout out to Troy out for trending though.
Trending, yeah, shout out to trending.
Listen,
shout out to you.
God's working on all of us.
Hey.
All right?
You gotta trend somehow.
Maybe what if Troy Ave's whole purpose in life was to be a cautionary tale for everyone else? Then he has succeeded.
He did. You know what I'm saying? Don't do what I did.
Listen, we don't know how God works and we don't know his time and how he works, but we do know that he's working.
I guarantee you.
And when you come to my church, the first annual church of the scammer, and I'm on a hoverboard and I'm going back and forth from pew to pew with my square reader, taking 20% of your, we're not tithing, 20% now.
Oh, 20%.
It's gratuity to God. It's God's gratuity. All right?
Parties of 6 or more?
Do you want to tip poorly? I'm sorry. Was your server the Lord not fast enough with your requests?
That's not gonna work in Europe.
Fuck for Europe.
You gotta come up with a new plan for Europe.
Well, seeing as how once Trump becomes president, like we're no longer gonna be allowed to visit Europe and shit. Like they're gonna close all the borders and shit. It's gonna be like some Mad Max shit. I can't wait.
I can't wait. Niggas said I can't wait for Trump. Trump is out here, but he's a wing.
Is he a wing?
You know what I'm saying?
Mero's not paying attention right now. Mero has just found the little piece of a blunt, and he's going to try to like spark it up. And he's so intensely looking right now, like he's about to. I think you're going to turn off the computer with the.
No. What's up?
No. How long have we been speeding for? What's a
13:08.
No, 20.
17:38.
Wait, did we do everything on the run of show? This is the last.
That's something else.
This is like the last.
Hour 45.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I was.
Yeah, we actually. Oh, shout out to Steph Curry. All right, he survived.
Yeah.
He did. You know, because he could have done Troy Ave a favor and become the new crying MJ meme.
Yeah.
But no, they stayed alive. Even though they're gonna lose in OKC. But you know, shout out to them.
I feel like they're gonna lose.
You feel like they're gonna win 3 in a row?
Nah, no way.
No.
Nah. Okay, so you got this. Yo, Russell, niggas, look at my son Westbrook playing basketball.
But you know what it is?
Your man is like a fucking stick of dynamite playing basketball. That nigga is not gonna let y'all win.
It's not even about basketball. It's
out
that
here.
Westbrook has so much respect for fashion that what Under Armour is doing to sneakers is such an affront to God that he cannot allow Steph Curry to cook.
He can't let him
and
thrive.
for that, he's a real. You know what? He's not like, yo, I'm not gonna have him shoot this or look at his pretty wife. He's like, oh, these threads are tired. These fashions are late. Look at this. Look at this brick. Look at this outfit. This outfit is a flop. Steph Curry, you are late and tired. Your garments no longer resonate.
Please.
Flop, flop, flop. Under Armour is quiet for you, you brick. I see Under Armour and I gag at these late fashions. Shout out to Russell Zestbrook, all right? You're out here, you're doing it. Niggas is hetero flexible, niggas is gender fluid, and you are stopping Under Armour's reign of terror on people's eyes in East Bay calendars, all right? Nobody wants to see your Under Armour. Under Armour sneakers look like lifeboats, okay? They look like they should be pulling the Intrepid into New York's harbor after World War II for repair after a cannonball hit it.
I told you, bro.
That's a very vivid photo. Some of the stuff in that description are not historically accurate, but just go with it because facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter.
All right? There were cannonballs in World War II.
You know what I'm saying?
Papua New Guinea's army did not bring their best weapons, but they sent their heart.
Think about how cute your
They
camera
panicked during the Call of Duty loadout screen because they had 10 seconds, and they had the controller down.
Riot shield, riot shield.
Oh, they were like, fuck, oh god, what are we gonna do with a riot shield and a sniper rifle? Ah, fuck.
Somebody's gonna be like, actually, you can't have the right shield.
Yeah, sorry, they're the same thing. Sorry, the categories cast me
You
on
can
each
only
other.
carry a secondary weapon with the riot shield. You can only carry a handgun pistol.
Are you gonna customize? Like, are you gonna use the ACG and like the heartbeat monitor? Because if you're not using that on the, why are you even using the sniper rifle? And also, none of these maps allow you to camp. I don't even like the map things. Like, these are no longer fun.
Shout out to everybody that called me a nigga last week on Division. You know what I'm saying?
Does that happen in Division too?
No, I'm just playing.
Oh, okay.
That hasn't happened to me in a while. I feel like niggas
What's your
know who I
screen
am
name
right now.
on
Hell no, I'm not telling you niggas.
I'm gonna find out your screen name and just keep calling you nigger on there.
I'm like, Desus?
Nigger Mero.
Is this Desus?
Yeah,
I hear
Mero.
carpet ripping up in the background.
And my father's coming back. What are you doing?
What is this?
What is this?
What is this foolishness?
Oh, you got time to play Division? All right.
What is this fussy game you play, huh?
All right. You want to play video? You want to talk with another? You want to talk with another man? Oh, playing a video game? I'm like, it's not. That's not even a thing, Dad. It's not even a thing.
You want to
Also, shout out to my
commit some
dad
buggery,
for not ordering. He doesn't order plane tickets using a computer. He does it through the phone. Who does that? I didn't even know you could still do that.
A maniac.
He was on hold, and he does that thing where you put your phone on speaker while it's playing on hold music, and you just go out and do shit. He's the worst. He's not the worst. Shout out to my pops because he made me.
Yeah.
Shout out to, but you know what?
You think I might have killed somebody?
Who, my pops?
Yeah.
Probably. But you know what? If you think about it, your parents should thank you because my pops got to run up raw in my mother one night
Okay.
to make me.
Okay.
So I'm not looking at you. I have sunglasses. I'm looking at you. Yet. Don't make me put up the privacy sheet. What charges you in here for, white boy? That's
Credit card fraud.
guess who's about to get swiped. Oh, then you play the New York Undercover jazz music. It just shows him like at the bars, like CO. He's like biting his teeth, like They cut the credits.
Damn, bro.
Does someone here know how to play the saxophone?
You blew your cheeks out, bro.
If someone here knows how to play the saxophone, not in this room, but like listening to this podcast, come through. You can be the dramatic saxophone player for our New York Undercover reboot.
True.
Or we can get Kenny G. Is Kenny G still alive?
He probably is.
Damn. By saying that, Kenny G's gonna die this week. Fuck.
Damn, you fucked
I
it
just
up.
killed Songbird.
Damn. What are niggas gonna play the dentist's office now?
I don't know. You go to the dentist?
Yeah, I go to the dentist.
Oh.
You go to the dentist?
I get locked up just to get my teeth fixed.
Wow, you're
Word to
wild.
Jada.
Yeah, no, I went to the dentist and I hadn't gone to the dentist in like months. And I
Right.
was nervous. And I had a little buildup behind my incisor or some shit. So the niggas cleaned it up.
Okay.
I'm out here in these streets. Had a cracked tooth, but no more out here. Invisible fillings. You know what I'm saying? I would
Now,
like to
you get-
proudly say that I never got a cavity ever in my life until later in life. I had a cavity in my life.
Wait, that's not what?
I never got a cavity ever in
What
my
is
life.
that? That's like Troy Ave saying like, "Yo, I never fucked up my life up until yesterday." Like, like you can't. There's certain things you can't say, my G.
You know what I'm saying? Because I was taking care of myself. Once I had children and I decided to take care of my children better than I take care of myself, that's when you get cavities and shit like that.
See, that's funny because as Memorial Day weekend, as a young single guy
Yeah.
in New York City, because I just turned 30. My birthday was like a couple weeks ago.
You're gonna have sex with somebody that has black feet because
No,
they walk
it's
around
just-
New York City all day.
No, it's just like literally the last thing I'm worrying about this weekend is taking care of myself.
Okay.
Like I don't like I might drink someone else's drink off the bar, that has like lipstick on the top of it. I might do drugs with someone I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
At some point, I might drive a car and not remember whose car it is or where it's parked. Like shit.
That's crazy when you chill.
All I gotta do is
motherfuckers
make sure I
that
don't
you
have a baby.
know.
That's it. That's literally
Yeah,
it.
just pull out 30
So
seconds.
all you ladies out there, you know what I'm saying? You know it's MOB over here, money over babies, and we keeping that. That's the motto this weekend, ma.
Who's
So when
gonna
I'm
trap this
two-stepping against you and controller comes on and you feel my erect penis against you, don't make it awkward and turn it into an Exo Jane article. Just go with it, ma.
Whoa.
Okay.
Yo, speaking
when
of
you
that,
feel me touching your pum pum lips through your romper, okay, just be like, he's on TV. It's cool. He's a feminist, okay? I believe in the equality of men and women. So if I try to finger pop you at some day party, you know, it's for your fun, ma. The problematic light's on.
Yo, shit is explosive.
Nah, but you know, enough drinks, and we could all just have fun.
Yeah,
You know
niggas
what I'm
be
saying?
chill.
Like, why is everything gotta be problematic?
No, everything's
Why it just can't be chill?
Just
Like
be chill.
a lot of stuff I say is like tee. Like, if you think I'm cute, you're like, oh Jesus.
Yeah, that's really it.
That's literally it.
If people fuck with you or don't, that's really decides what's part.
Shout out to every girl that knows me in real life and beefs about this podcast, and I say wild shit, but then you be like, oh, blank, my real name, and you get over it, or you text me like, oh, I heard the podcast, some sort of wild emoji, you know,
moon emoji, moon
moon
emoji.
emoji, you know, I'll come through.
Shout out to moon emoji if you don't know about that.
Mero's been talking about the moon emoji since episode 1
Yeah.
of Desus versus Mero.
That's right.
It's facts.
It's facts. So
Facts
so
don't
it hits
matter,
you
but
up.
that's facts.
But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to live to like at least 80 something.
80?
Yo, technology, that's what I'm looking at medical technology now. You know what I'm saying? Because now niggas are getting to the zone of like niggas is curing AIDS and cancer and shit. So it might be lit. It's about to be quiet for diabetes. They're about to get diabetes out of here, so it's fucking lit.
So you can eat all the chocolate you
all
want.
the chocolate I
whatever.
want. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Licking off my girl's butt. All that.
How you gonna feel when 90% of your daily income goes to buying insulin?
It would be lit to have like the pack on me,
The pack?
and niggas think it's a gun.
Yeah.
It's really just my insulin
And when the
pack.
cops shoot you and kill you?
Yeah, and then
Oh,
they feel
shit.
like dicks, and then my kids will be at the protest crying and shit.
Oh shit, it
Kill
was an
my
insulin
father!
pack. Petrudo!
Kill my father!
Petrudo! Fucking Mooly had an insulin pack on him.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, this is bad.
Oh, this fucking
This is
asshole was on
bad. This is
TV.
fucking
Holy
bad.
shit.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
what the fuck are we
What the fuck
doing?
is the child Mero was his name or some
fuck.
shit. I seen him.
Shit.
He was on the thing with the fucking Charlemagne.
fuck.
That little salamander looking
Fuck.
son of a bitch.
God damn it.
Oh fuck. This
Kids
is
at
bad.
the protest and shit.
This is bad.
Wife's crying and
Sharp
shit.
is gonna come there.
Sharp is with fucking
He's
Heather
married
like,
to a white
"Yo."
chick. His life is gonna matter. They're gonna actually put this in the paper.
It's crazy.
Oh no.
It's gonna be
This is
crazy.
bad. I might lose my badge for 30 days.
I'm about to do desk duty for 12 hours.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to take
Yeah.
early vacation.
Shout out the cops.
They're gonna name some.
But not.
They're gonna name some wild, out of the way block in the Bronx after you, like 162nd.
162nd in like Olinville.
Yeah, just mad. It's a one-way street. It's gonna be the fucking Bronx, the mayor of the Bronx, me, Tito Puente's granddaughter.
Like Big Pun son. Like,
We're gonna cut a ribbon. Bronx 12 is gonna be there, like, yo, could y'all hurry up?
Tad
I gotta
Screw's gonna
edit
do a
this
mural
shit.
and shit.
It's gonna look like you, but not really.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a
it's-
picture of you wild too early and
It's
shit.
like, yo, that looks kind of like Mark Anthony.
It's gonna have like an inspirational quote. It's just be like, it's lit, but they misspell lit. Oh, shout out to the Bronx.
Yeah, that's the Bronx. We love it.
J-Lo is gonna mention it at like one of her award speeches. Sing!
Sing! Niggas is like, you sing, bitch.
Often, when I was a girl growing up in East Tremont,
Yeah.
I thought of
Yeah.
the kid Mero.
Oh my god.
This song's dedicated to him.
Yeah. Shout out to J-Lo. We love you though.
Are you Ellie? She gonna do a song that has nothing to do with you.
Sponsored by
I'm
Desus.
real. Ja Rule's gonna come out there like, yo,
What?
give it up for my nigga Mero. He was
Yo.
ill with the memes.
Yo, family God. No, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sad because this J-Lo and Ja Rule performing at Troy Ave's 40-year release party in Vegas.
Damn, but you know what's gonna be lit though when he comes out? He's hosting mad strip clubs and shit.
No, we actually. Listen, the problematic light is coming on because I got a hell of a pun right here.
Okay.
We actually dodged the bullet
Hey.
at the fact that Troy Ave didn't just get shot. Because if Troy Ave had just gotten shot, he would have milked that shit like Tupac.
Oh,
my
man.
God, that Hail Mary song he would have made about surviving strays.
Yo, niggas can't see me. Come with me. Niggas try to clap me.
I was on the
Powder.
stretcher, eyes rolling back,
Yo.
and my backpack's crack. Oh man.
I don't know. I don't even know. It's funny.
Nobody knows.
I'm literally pulling an
That's the
impression
thing.
out my ass because I know what
And also, people were getting mad on Twitter. People were like, "Somebody got shot." You know, like let's ease up on jokes, guys. There's a time and place.
Niggas
for
ain't
that.
make, but I'm not. We're not
First
talking about
of
him.
all,
Niggas making fun of that dude.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do my Beyonce verse. First of all, let me tell you something. Boy, bye. Okay? Listen, niggas get shot every day, B. Literally every day. Yeah. Some of them die.
Retweet the scanner, you fucking clown
Some
cakes.
of them don't die. All right? And maybe you live in a little sheltered life where you're in a cubicle and shit and you don't realize people die every fucking day. A lot of these people do not matter. I'm sorry to say it. Maybe if he's your family member, they care. Yeah. I don't care that the 38-year-old just got shot in Baychester. I don't know him.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? He'll be all right. Someone will warn him. I'm sure they'll wear phone posits at his funeral. She'll be okay.
Niggas have the RPG shirt.
But
listen to this. Somebody just died right now.
Right now.
Right now. Nigga.
Right now.
Right now, somebody just died.
Okay? People die every day.
Every day.
And you know what happens on Twitter every day? Every day, people get hit with the crying MJ meme.
All day.
All right? So the two happen. They're going to happen. All right? If Twitter had been around for the whole world, for the whole world's history, mad shit would have caught the MJ meme.
What?
Think
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, nigga. Dinosaurs with the mad meteors coming down with the crying MJ. Like,
Think about Twitter actually made the thing like that.
Yeah.
Imagine the Garden of Eden.
come on.
All right? God is like kicking Adam and Eve out the Garden of Eden, and they got the
both
crying
got the
MJ
fucking,
memes
like-
on them with a piece of apple in their face.
Like, damn.
Or fucking Noah's Ark and shit, and the Ark is leaving.
Nigga, the snake is in the tree with the Denzel shit. Like,
Shit like that. Like they crucified Jesus and shit, and he's up there on the cross with the crying MJ,
like-
and Peter, Paul, and all of them was on the side with the fucking Denzel shit.
Denzel's like,
Just a bunch of memes.
come on, man, memes.
All right, Pearl Harbor.
Come on.
Do you understand the crying MJ that Pearl Harbor would have got?
Let's meme history, my niggas.
This is our show now.
Yeah.
Crying MJ through history.
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Look at the shit we were
first
throwing off the
slave
glass
ship
with the
at
cinders.
the first slave ship to come to the coast of Africa.
Oh,
Oh
man.
man, did I go too far?
No.
Huh? Is the problematic light on? It's true though. Okay.
Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, that's crazy.
How come they haven't done like a crying MJ for like JFK when he's in the convertible, got his brains blown out?
Oh, shit, yeah.
Just put one on Jackie Onassis, sort of like
Oh, shit.
with hamburger helper in the back, like, yo, you need help with that? You need help with that brain meat? Yo, it's your boy, Jesus Nice, aka
right.
Young Hot Take, aka Young Green Room, aka Young Hollywood, aka 5-star general of the Camouflage Shorts Army, aka 1994, aka Eli Litby, aka Chris Dasport Sling Dick, aka Slobodan Might Know Your Bitch, aka Guchos Gully.
Oh, shit, man. Yo, it's your buddy Mero, aka the Human Do-Rag Flap, aka Curve Gaddy, you know what I'm saying, aka the East Street My Stevie B. Don't look at me in my eyeballs, you know what I'm saying? Talk to me in sign language.
That's right.
You
And
feel me?
don't take
Gang,
pictures
bang,
of his
bang.
kids
Don't
when you
ever.
see them
You know what I'm
in
saying?
Target.
You know what
It's
I
been
mean?
episode 24. Shout out to the
Nigga.
Bodega Hive providing the Lust Studio for us to fly in.
You know what I'm saying?
Next week we are back. We blessed them with stickers. We got the stickers on deck. Mero, the asshole, wore the fucking prototype of the t-shirt of my DZ season clothing line that are coming through. I'm a perfectionist. I don't like shit getting out beforehand, but the t-shirts is coming. They're on their way. We're back in Red Bull Studios next week. Shout out to Red Bull 220 West 18th Street. This shit's weekly now. So, you know what I'm saying? This might be quiet for y'all other art podcasts and shit. But Bratton's about to ban podcasts because they have tracked thugs.
Should've jumped
so
on
it
it
don't
yesterday,
matter.
by the way.
I saw him in Times Square.
Yep.
I was going to run
Should've
up on him.
RKO'd that nigga.
And like,
Should hit him
fucking-
with the Stone Cold music. Can
I
you
was
put the
gonna-
Stone Cold music in here right now? Like, and the whole shit, like, oh God, Jesus Christ, oh my God.
I was going to take
Wow.
the wild selfie with William Bratton, but he had the
Get
biggest...
clapped out here, nigga.
He had the biggest
Get clapped out here.
fucking security guard behind him.
Yeah.
And he looked at me like, he was like, yo,
I
dog.
dare you.
He was like, dog, you're like...
I dare you.
He was like, yo, he was like, Black Lives Matter? He was like, nah, nigga.
Nah.
Nah.
Not
He was
at
like,
all.
run up and get done up. And I was like,
Yeah.
no problem, sir.
Yeah.
So listen, episode 24.
That's right.
We out here. There's stickers and shit on the way. Have a safe Memorial Day weekend. Avoid the
Yo.
bookings, beloved.
Pull out.
And listen,
Pull out 30 seconds late.
all you have to do to survive this weekend, ask yourself, W.W.T.A.D.
Okay.
What would Troy Ave do?
Oh.
Okay? Do the opposite of that.
Yo. I was
And
about
we
to
will
say.
see you next week.
You know what I'm saying?
It's lit.